Big news, the kind that sends shockwaves through the automotive world. Tesla has halted Cybertruck production. Yes, you heard that right. The futuristic stainless steel behemoth has stopped rolling off the assembly line. The shutdown is happening at its Texas Gigafactory, the very place where Tesla intended to revolutionize truck manufacturing. For a vehicle that's been hyped for years, teased relentlessly, and promised to change the pickup game, this sudden halt is a major shock to the system. The Cybertruck isn't just another EV, it's a statement, a design departure, a moonshot on wheels. It's Tesla's boldest gamble, a bet that consumers are ready for a radical reimagining of the pickup truck. And a shutdown at this stage after all the anticipation and investment is a huge setback, raising serious questions about the Cybertruck's future. After years of delays, pushed-back deadlines, and countless promises, production was finally ramping up, slowly but surely, with Tesla working to iron out the kinks in its innovative manufacturing process. And the truck was hitting the roads, making its presence known, and generating buzz wherever it went. Now, with the electric truck market heating up, competition intensifying, and consumer demand growing, Ford, with its F-150 Lightning and Rivian, are gaining ground, establishing themselves as serious players in the EV truck space. Tesla's paws hands competitors, its rivals in the electric vehicle arena, a golden opportunity to capture market share and solidify their positions. The real mystery? Tesla's silence on the matter is deafening. No official word, no press release, no statement to calm the nerves of investors and reservation holders. Just a swirl of rumors and speculation, filling the void left by Tesla's lack of communication. Is it a supply chain snag, a shortage of critical components, a design flaw that needs addressing, or something deeper, a more fundamental problem with the Cybertruck's architecture or manufacturing process? We'll dig into what's really happening behind the scenes, exploring the potential causes of this production halt, what it means for Tesla's stock price, its reputation, and its overall business strategy, and what's next for the Cybertruck, its future prospects, and the road ahead for this controversial vehicle. This isn't just a hiccup, it's a significant event with potentially far-reaching consequences. It could be a turning point, a moment of reckoning for Tesla and its ambitious Cybertruck project. For Tesla's most ambitious project, this production halt represents a critical challenge that could define its success or failure. Let's break it down, analyze the situation, and try to understand what's really going on with the Cybertruck. To truly understand the shock that rippled through the automotive world, the disbelief that hung in the air, let's rewind the clock back to November 2019, a time before production delays, before real-world testing, before the Cybertruck became a tangible, albeit rare, sight on our roads. Elon Musk strides onto the stage and unveils the Cybertruck, a stainless steel, angular beast that looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie set. Its sharp lines and unconventional form challenged everything we thought we knew about pickup truck design. The infamous unbreakable glass shatters spectacularly on stage during a demonstration, but even that unexpected mishap couldn't kill the hype. In fact, it arguably amplified it. Hundreds of thousands of pre-orders immediately pour in, flooding Tesla's website and signaling unprecedented demand. This was all despite the undeniably polarizing design. People either loved it or hated it. There seemed to be no middle ground. Tesla confidently promised production would begin by late 2021, a timeline that seemed ambitious even then. But, as we all know, delays inevitably piled up, pushing the production date further and further into the future. The world was hit by a pandemic, creating unprecedented supply chain chaos and forcing factory shutdowns across the globe. Add to that the sheer challenge of building something so radically different, so unlike anything else on the road. The complex manufacturing processes required were a hurdle in themselves. Years passed, filled with teasers, prototype sightings, and spy shots that only fueled the already intense anticipation. The internet was abuzz with speculation and excitement. Finally, in late 2023, after what felt like an eternity, the very first Cybertrucks finally rolled out to eagerly awaiting customers. Production ramped up slowly but surely, a testament to the complexities involved in bringing this futuristic vehicle to life. And then, the truck started appearing on roads, turning heads and sparking conversations wherever it went. Early reviews began flooding the internet, offering a glimpse into the Cybertruck ownership experience. After all the waiting, the delays, and the doubts, it seemed the Cybertruck was finally, undeniably real, and in the hands of paying customers. That's precisely why this sudden, unexpected shutdown feels like a plot twist ripped from a Hollywood script, a twist no one saw coming. The Cybertruck story, a saga of innovation, ambition, and challenges, was seemingly just getting started. And now, without warning, everything's on pause. Production lines are halted, factories are silent, and the future of the Cybertruck hangs in the balance. What went wrong? What unforeseen issue has brought this ambitious project to a standstill? The first hints of trouble didn't come from Tesla but from factory workers and drone footage showing empty lots at the Texas Gigafactory. News outlets confirmed the Cybertruck line stopped abruptly around July 15, 2025. This wasn't a planned pause for upgrades. Workers were reassigned or sent home. The lack of a timeline for resuming production has rattled investors and customers alike. The story broke through a mix of leaks, drone videos, and online sleuthing. Modern journalism at its finest. Most credible leaks point to a major quality control issue or a critical component failure. Some mention accelerator pedal problems, others cite ongoing issues with the stainless steel body panels. Whatever the cause, this was an unplanned, urgent stop. Tesla is scrambling to diagnose and fix the problem. The stakes couldn't be higher. When trouble hits, everyone looks to Elon Musk's X account. But this time, he's silent on the Cybertruck. He's tweeting about SpaceX and AI, but nothing about the shutdown. That silence speaks volumes. Either the problem is serious, or Tesla doesn't have answers yet. After days of speculation and a falling stock price, Tesla finally issued a vague statement. "We are working through a period of production adjustment and look forward to resuming soon." No details, no timeline, just corporate speak. Investors and customers aren't reassured. The lack of transparency only fuels more questions. Analysts call it a non-answer, and the market expects more from a company of Tesla's size. The combination of Musk's silence and Tesla's vague response has deepened the mystery. For now, the public is left guessing. The pressure is on for real answers. Will Tesla step up? The Cybertruck's biggest challenge has always been manufacturing. Its thick stainless steel exoskeleton is tough to shape, weld, and assemble. Small flaws become big problems. Sources say the shutdown centers on quality issues with these panels, leading to high rejection rates and costly delays. Specialized welding and new tech like the 48-volt system and steer-by-wire add more complexity and more risk of bugs. Even a single faulty supplier could halt the line given the Cybertruck's unique parts. Tesla's vertical integration helps, but the supply chain is still fragile. The likely culprit? A mix of difficult materials, new tech, and supply chain fragility. It's a perfect storm for production headaches. Can Tesla solve it? The shutdown's impact is huge. Tesla's stock dropped and its reputation for innovation is on the line. The Cybertruck was supposed to drive growth and prove Tesla's edge. Now, doubts are creeping in. Customers who've waited years face more delays, and some may finally give up and buy from Ford or Rivian instead. Competitors are seizing the moment, touting their own reliability and availability. The Cybertruck's momentum is stalled and rivals are gaining ground. For the industry, this is a reality check. Radical innovation is risky and hard to scale. Other automakers may think twice before betting on such unconventional designs. The lesson? Bold ideas are only as good as your ability to build them at scale. The Cybertruck's journey is a warning and an opportunity for the whole market. Will Tesla recover or lose its lead? When news of the Cybertruck's production halt broke, industry experts weren't exactly shocked. Many had been closely following the vehicle's development, or lack thereof, and were well aware of the challenges Tesla was facing. In fact, many predicted from the start that the Cybertruck's radical, almost futuristic design would inevitably cause significant manufacturing headaches. The sharp angles, the flat panels, and the sheer size of the vehicle presented engineering challenges unlike anything seen in mainstream automotive production. Automotive expert Sandy Munro, known for his detailed teardowns and analyses of vehicles, specifically called out the stainless steel body. He argued that it was both its greatest strength and its greatest weakness, a double-edged sword that could either make or break the Cybertruck. Munro even went so far as to say that a production shutdown, or at least a significant delay, was almost inevitable given the complexities involved in working with the material and the design. Critics of Elon Musk and Tesla were quick to jump on the news, saying this is classic Musk big promises, ambitious timelines, and ultimately, tough execution. They pointed to a pattern of overpromising and underdelivering that has plagued Tesla throughout its history. The infamous shattered glass incident at the Cybertruck reveal event is now widely seen as a potent symbol of the gap between Tesla's ambitious vision and the often harsh realities of manufacturing and engineering. Online reservation holders, many of whom have been waiting patiently for years, are understandably frustrated. Some say they've loyally defended Tesla's delays and production challenges for years, making excuses and remaining optimistic. But a full production shutdown, with no clear timeline for resumption, feels like a new low, even for the most ardent Tesla supporters. Still, a significant contingent of loyal fans urge patience and understanding, preferring a temporary pause in production to the delivery of a faulty or poorly manufactured truck. Wall Street analysts are taking a cautious approach, slashing their delivery forecasts for the Cybertruck and adjusting their overall outlook for Tesla. They are also warning of potential risks to Tesla's brand reputation and long-term growth prospects. While the direct financial hit from the shutdown is expected to be limited in the short term, the bigger risk lies in the potential damage to investor confidence and the erosion of trust in Tesla's ability to execute its ambitious plans. For now, the prevailing mood on Wall Street is one of wait and see, as analysts and investors alike try to assess the long-term implications of the Cybertruck's production woes. The uncertainty surrounding the Cybertruck's future is real, and it's growing with each passing day. The big question now is, can Tesla overcome these challenges and ultimately turn the Cybertruck situation around? What's next? It all depends on how fast Tesla can fix the problem. If it's a single supplier issue, production could resume in weeks, a minor blip. But if it's a core design or manufacturing flaw, the shutdown could drag on for months, risking sales, cancellations, and Tesla's reputation. Competitors will use every extra day to win over frustrated buyers. Tesla's communication strategy is now critical. Continued silence will only hurt confidence. A detailed update from Musk or Tesla could help calm nerves and reset expectations. This is a learning moment for Tesla, and it may shape how they approach future vehicles. Will they be more cautious with radical designs? The Cybertruck was a massive swing. Now we'll see if it's a home run or a cautionary tale. The next move is crucial. The Cybertruck shutdown is a defining moment for Tesla, a test of its resilience and ability to deliver on bold promises. The coming weeks will reveal if this is a minor setback or a sign of deeper trouble. Tesla built its reputation on doing the impossible. Now it faces its toughest challenge yet. If they fix the issue quickly, this will be a forgotten bump in the road. If delays drag on, it could mark a turning point for Tesla's image and market dominance. The Cybertruck's fate will influence how far other automakers are willing to push boundaries. For now, all eyes are on Tesla. The story isn't over, it's just entered its most dramatic chapter. Will Tesla pull off another comeback? Stay tuned.